How would you like to learn the exact steps I took to create $1,000 a day in the Legendary Marketer program? Hi, my name is Dr. Joe Garrido, chiropractor and entrepreneur, and on this channel, I'm going to teach you the exact steps I'm going to use to create a very strong passive income with the Legendary Marketer program. So if that interests you, please hit the like, comment, and subscribe button, and let's get started. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about why high-ticket affiliate marketing works really well, why I chose Legendary Marketer's program to put my energy and efforts in, and why the sole focus should only be about traffic, and of course offering support to the people that enter your sphere. I'll explain how it took about 3.5 months to get to my first $1,000 day with the Legendary Marketer program. I'll talk to you about the plans that I'll have to scale up my efforts in terms of marketing the Legendary Marketer program. And if all of this interests you, I'll invite you to come join me. So let's get started. Now, in the last video, I talked about why I chose to put my energy in high-ticket affiliate marketing sales. The fact is, I like efficiency, and I'm kind of lazy. If I'm going to be doing the work, I want to get the most bang for my buck. And in terms of energy and efforts it takes to market something, the amount of energy it takes to create this $1,000 sale really wasn't that different than the $20 and $30 affiliate sales I made previous. So high-ticket affiliate marketing has many advantages that way in terms of leveraging your time and energy and effort, and I highly encourage you to go this direction. The reason I chose Legendary Marketer and affiliate marketing in general, Legendary Marketer, exceptional quality stands out. If I was to sit there and think about the kind of marketing program I'd like to create myself, in terms of how to market, how to do digital marketing, it would probably be something exactly like the Legendary Marketer program. So I don't want to create it because it's already there. In terms of affiliate programs, the reason why I chose to put my energy into affiliate marketing as opposed to, say, creating my own product. With affiliate marketing, I don't have to worry about creating my own product. I don't have to worry about customer service. I don't have to worry about refunds. All I got to worry about is driving traffic. And in future videos, we'll talk about all the different ways you can use traffic methods like Facebook, Facebook groups, TikTok advertising, YouTube to drive massive amounts of traffic to your offer. In regards to how I created my first $1,000 day with the Legendary Marketer program, it really was TikTok. I started to do 3 videos a day and created enough videos where 1 or 2 of them went really viral, and I started to get a lot of traffic through my funnel, and one of those folks turned into my $1,000 day sale. It took me about 3.5 months, and I obviously could scale up. Those are my future plans. I really do plan to incorporate YouTube, as you're seeing here now, using Facebook groups and kind of creating the big synergy between TikTok, Facebook groups, and YouTube to drive people through my funnel. If all of this interests you, if this is the kind of content that interests you and you want to see more of this kind of content in the future, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button below. And if you want to get started with me and get started with the Legendary Marketer program, I invite you to go to www.15daystolegendary.com. Go through the sales funnel, go through the offer, check it out, and we'll get started. We'll work together, and I'll see you on the other side.